how to use iPhone mirroring in macOS Sequoia Beta 2. Now, iPhone mirroring is a very good feature which we have got in iOS 18 Beta 2 and macOS Sequoia Beta 2. Now, how to use it? The process is actually very simple, but before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, before getting into the explaining part, you have to keep few things in mind. First is make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is enabled on both your device, on your iPhone as well as on your Mac. So you can see on my iPhone, Wi-Fi is on and Bluetooth is on. Now, if I show you in my Mac, you can see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is enabled on my Mac as well. So this is the first thing you have to keep in mind. Second, make sure that your iPhone is running on iOS 18 Beta 2. However, it will show you iOS 18.0 because it is developer beta, but this is Beta 2 version of iOS 18. And if I go in my Mac setting over here, my Mac is running on Mac OS Sequoia Beta 2, and similarly over here it will display Mac OS Sequoia Beta 15.0, but it is Beta 2 version. After making sure that all the things are working, then all you have to do is you have to go in iPhone mirroring option, which you can find on dock, or else you can go in Launchpad, and over here you will get iPhone mirroring option. So all you have to do is you just have to simply open iPhone mirroring over here. And in my case, I have already used iPhone mirroring, which is why it is showing me this particular screen. But whenever you open iPhone mirroring for the first time, it will showcase you this particular screen over here. So it says your iPhone on your Mac. You can check out what else you can access, and you can just simply select continue option over here, and you will get second screen, which is this one. And over here, all you have to do is, if you're using iPhone mirroring for the first time, you have to unlock your iPhone over here. And once you unlock your iPhone, you will get this option. Once you unlock your iPhone mirroring will be turned on. So let's enter the password over here. And once I select the password and if I press enter, now you can see it is connecting to my iPhone. Now my iPhone is off over here, but I can still access my phone. I can choose any application which I want. So what else you can do in iPhone mirroring? First of all, let's clear the basic thing that there are few limitations. You cannot access control center over here in iPhone mirroring, and same you cannot access notification panel. If you want to access notification center, you can just simply go and tap over here in the right hand side top corner to access notification over here on your Mac. So yeah, all the notifications which are related to your iPhone can be accessed from your Mac. So this was the limitation. The second limitation is you cannot use camera application. Even if the application opens, you can choose any option, but it won't access your iPhone's camera. No matter which option I choose, it won't allow me to use iPhone's camera. So yeah, you cannot use it. Now in case if you want to minimize this camera application, or if you want to go to home screen, there are two ways. Either you can point your pointer over here at the top and you can select this first icon, or else you can select this home bar option over here. You can tap on that and it will take you to home screen. So these are the things. And now which applications you can access? You can basically access most of the application. If I go in App Store, I can access App Store over here. To minimize it, either I can use this home bar, or else I can use this icon to go on to the home screen. Again, I can simply go in settings. I can change the settings from iPhone mirroring over here, and again to go home screen, you can select this home bar option. Now the second thing, if you want to activate spotlight search, either you can tap on this search option, you can use it, or else you can use two fingers. You can swipe down on your trackpad over here, and you can use spotlight search in your iPhone. Again, you can swipe like this, and to go to recent application, again you can point your pointer at the top, and this time you can use this second icon. If you select that, basically you can access the recent application in your Mac. And if you want to close it from the background, again swipe upwards and you can close that application from the background. That's one more thing. If you want authentication, simply you can go on iPhone mirroring over here. You can tap on that and you can select settings option, and you will get this page. If you want that iPhone mirroring should ask every time, then you can turn on this toggle. But if you want automatically authenticate, you can select the second option, and you can enter your Mac's password over here and just simply press OK or tap on OK. So you can access your iPhone with this Mac whenever this Mac is unlocked. So these are few settings which you can do. And yeah, there's nothing much. There are few limitations. You can basically access most of the things in iPhone mirroring, which is a good thing. and you don't have to unlock your phone to do all the things. You can access them from iPhone mirroring. Now there are few troubleshootings. If in case even after checking that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is on and your Mac is running on macOS Sequoia Beta 2 and iPhone is running on iOS 18 Beta 2, even then if you're not able to access iPhone mirroring, then what is the troubleshooting? So first of all, always make sure that everything is working fine. The next thing is you can simply unlock your iPhone, and whenever you're using iPhone mirroring, you will get this notification that iPhone is in use. So you can just simply unlock your iPhone to stop iPhone mirroring. So you can see, as soon as I enter my password or passcode on my iPhone mirroring has stopped working on my Mac. So yeah, getting back to the troubleshooting part, go in settings, go in general, and over here go in AirPlay and continuity, and make sure in iPhone mirroring your Mac name is displayed, because if it is not displayed over here, then you won't be able to use iPhone mirroring. So for that also you have to make sure that your Mac is running on macOS Sequoia Beta 2. Even if it is running on Beta 1, you won't be able to use iPhone mirroring. So make sure this thing is there, then you can basically use iPhone mirroring. So yeah, that's how simple it is to use iPhone mirroring in your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.